Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Ilham Muzaffar bin Abdul Mutek. My ID is B0918-130. My supervisor name is Mr. Muhammad Hafizi bin Abdul Rahman. And today I will present to you about my bachelor degree project. The title is Evaluation of Impactor Speed and Angle Mode in Radios to Roof Resistant Test. So for introduction, in this modern day, vehicles have been an important mode of mobility. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA), SUV are more likely to overturn than passenger vehicles because of their higher center of gravity. The roof strength of a vehicle is also important in decreasing the danger of ejection after a rollover. Next is problem statement. Because there are no defined criteria for vehicle rollover test in Indonesia, it is critical to do research on SUV vehicle rollover accidents for this objective. However, only roof crash tests were performed on SUV cars to determine the strength of the roof structure because running a rollover test is more expensive than running roof crash test. For research objective, it has two. The first one is to optimize the speed and angle parameter of impactor towards roof crash analysis during radios. Second is to compare the SWR results between current impactor parameter and improvement impactor parameter. For scope of research, it has four. The first one is to set up model for roof crash test analysis. Second is to set up roof crash test analysis using Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standards, which is FMVSS 216. The third one is to run the roof crash test analysis by using radio software. The lastly is SWR results of roof crash test analysis obtained after the run of the roof crash test. For literature review, the first one is rollover. Rollover are the most serious and dangerous crashes among all types of the traffic crashes. The most vulnerable to rollover crashes are head and neck injuries. Rollover have a complex dynamic event and like other traffic accidents consists of the vehicle, human and environmental elements. For crash test is a type of destructive testing typically conducted to ensure safe design standards for vehicles. The project's goal is to conduct a roof crash test. For roof strength crash test, the roof strength is determined by sliding an inclined metal plates down on side. One side of the roof is at a slow but a constant speed and measuring the force requirement to crush the roof. The force exerted proportional to the weight of the vehicle is known as the strength to weight ratio or SWR. A good to a strength to weight ratio is at least 4. And then by the quasi-static and dynamic roof crash, the definition of quasi-static is the load is applied so slowly that the structure deforms also very slowly. And therefore, the inertial force is very small and can be ignored. Dynamical load is causes a structure to vibrate and the inertial force is big enough and must be considered. Impact involves a load quickly applied over a short time duration. This is for standard input parameters uh, while running the roof crash test. It has 9 input parameter. The first one is roll rate, second is pitch rate, yaw rate, roll angle, pitch angle, yaw angle, s velocity, y velocity, and lastly is z velocity. Two values were chosen to define the distribution of the vehicle kinetic energy, which is has three parameters, and three parameters is roll rate, s velocity, and z velocity. So for the methodology, the strength to weight ratio SWR of the roof test is the main goal that need to be achieved. The methods used in achieving the SWR will lead to a different result. The design process is a trial and error method which depending on the selection of parameter of the original model. So this is a model selection that I run during my bachelor degree project 1. The model of Chevrolet Silverado 2014 has been chosen as the original model for the crashing analysis by using Arte Radios. The main reasons choosing this model is by structural and driving component details are included. So, so for the parameter considered for roof crash simulation, it has two. The first one is the roll angle mode of impactor is 25 degree, and initial speed of impactor is 200 millimeter per second. The initial roll angle is 25 degree, pitch angle 5 degree, and 200 millimeter per second road speed for Chevrolet Silverado. This is intended to reduce death and injuries resulting from the crushing of the roof into passenger compartment. For the strength of weight ratio SWR, it signifies how effectively the structure of a vehicle roof can withstand its own weight in the event of vehicle rollover. As we can see in the table, there is a characteristic on how to evaluate the strength of weight ratio. If the value is is greater than or equal to 4.0, so the rating will be great. And if the value is greater or equal to 3.25 or greater than 4.0, the rating is acceptable. And if the value is 2.50, greater than or equal to 2.50 and less than 3.25, so the rating is marginal. And less than 2.05, 2.50 is rating is poor. So this is the expected result from roof crash analysis. This is effect of the 5-degree fixed pitch angle of the roof strength. When the roll angle varies from 15 degree to 45 degree, the roof strength drops dramatically with a fixed 5-degree pitch angle. A curve with a 40-degree roll angle is almost identical to one with a 45-degree roll angle. All of the curves descend towards the corridor's lower limit. Roof strength drops can have a maximum amplitude on up to 44%. There's also a comparable occurrence where at 150 mm of crash distance, the roof strength tends to converge to around 22 kN in all circumstances. It indicates that as the pitch angle rises, the roof becomes more vulnerable. So this is for the effect of the 25-degree fixed pitch angle on the roof strength. As we can see, when the pitch angle varies from 0 degree to 10 degree, the more strength reduced dramatically with the same 25-degree roll angle. Roof strength with a 15-degree pitch angle is slightly higher than that with a 10-degree pitch angle just before the rigid plate reaches a 95 mm displacement. The latter is substantially higher than the former after a 15.5 mm crash distance. All of the curves are moving closer to the corridor's lowest limit. Okay, so this is a effect of the 25-degree fix of pitch angle on the roof strength. When using the same 25-degree roll angle, the resistance force characteristic remain consistent for roll angle of 10 degree to 20 degree. For a pitch angle of 5 degree, the force history curves of the two-sided roof diverge slightly from each other. At a pitch angle of 5 degree, the highest amplitude of roof strength loss on the near and far sides are 41.6% and 37.5% respectively. There is a considerable resistance force differential between the near and far side, which is around 6 kN, accounting for 17.5%. So after the effect of roll angle, this is the graph for force displacement. As we can see, the peak in the graph which occurs when the impactor hits the car, the highest peak. Okay, for the vehicle to pass the roof crash test, it has to have the capability to withstand load equal to 3 times its own weight. As per standard of FMVSS 216, the roof of the model should resist 3 times the force acting on the stationary model at rest, which is 47,000 Newton equal to 3 times GVW. GVW stands for gross vehicle weight. It is a product of the unloaded weight of the vehicle acceleration due to gravity. Resistive force is must not exceed the 47,000 Newton. So how to calculate the force versus displacement? From the graph, resistive force is 70.43 kilonewton from the high peak. Okay, so we convert to Newton, which is will become 70,430 Newton. Gross weight of the vehicle equal to vehicle mass times acceleration due to gravity. So the calculation will be 175 times 9.81 equal to 1716.75 Newton. Strength to weight ratio is equal to resistive force over GVW, gross vehicle weight. So to calculate it, SWR equal to 17,430 divide by 1716.75 equal to 10.2. The strength to weight ratio is 10.2 due to BIW gross weight of car. BIW is a body in white. Suppose consider that the total car weight is 700 kg. Change 700 kg to Newton, which is 700 times 9.81, so it will be 6,864.66 Newton. So by the formula, SWR equal to resistive force over gross weight of the vehicle. So, the strength to weight ratio we get 2.54. So it will be marginal on the graph. For the energy plot, last but not least, the total energy and internal energy can be seen increasingly steadily with runtime. The hourglass energy is zero throughout the run time. Alright, so we will elaborate the graph. TE, what is TE? TE, it is total energy. So the value of total energy is 1656.71 joules. Total energy is the sum of the Z internal energy, kinetic energy, and energy work. So for the IE is internal energy. The value is 1621.81 joules. The internal energy of a thermodynamic system is the energy contained within it. KE is a kinetic energy. The value is 34.895 joules. In physics, the kinetic energy of an object is the energy that it possesses due to its motion. For CE is contact energy. The value is 77.06 joules. Contact energy is the energy acting opposite to the system to prevent the penetration acting on the system due to applied load case. Last but not least is HGE. HGE is equal to hourglass energy, and the value is 0.01116 joules. This is usually done by adding extra stiffness of viscosity across the diagonal, which add extra strain energy into the system, and we can call this as hourglass energy. So that's all from me for my presentation of the bachelor degree project, and thank you for your time.